DJ Whiteowl.
Shit, what the fuck up? What the fuck up? What the Who you talking to? You dealing with goons? Who you talking to? You dealing with goons? Huff and puff, baby. I huff and puff, homie. Who you talking to? You dealing with goons? Who you talking to? You dealing with goons? Exit 21. Ayo, the first time I picked the gun up, I had to get sick. Come outside, another nigga getting body shit. Ain't no time for playing no games. Who you talking to, Deuce? I'ma air out your brain. I really ride around stressed out. You know me, I jump out the car with my chest out. Ain't nothing sweet about the way we bang. Exit 21, homie, that's the way we bang. So who you talking to, son? I heard you got signed, but that's me, big truck out there on your mind. I got you open black, you got stacks on my head. Which one of your boys gon' leave me dead? I really ride around, homie, with that red on. See me beat you down, homie, with that dead on. Oh, watch your mouth, son. It's big guns like Jet Li. Truck is the fucking one.
DJ
You talking to?
Whiteowl.
You dealing with goons? You ain't hear about truck in the street, nigga. Who you talking to? You dealing with goons? I'm at your house front door with the 40 cal. Who you talking to? You dealing with goons? I air you out, nigga, I lay you down. Who you talking to? You dealing with goons? So watch your mouth when big truck come around. Listen, old boy, fall back and get that guap. I don't care what color you wear, I'm still gon' pop. I've been a goon all my life, head been fucked up. Why you think the streets had to call me a big truck? Been smacking niggas, I've been outside, I've been a gangster beef, homie, never let it ride. Oh, my niggas that I fuck with, son, walk the streets with felonies and big guns. You seen it on them DVDs, you seen it in the streets. You done met truck, you see me rolling with that heat. Oh, catch me at the DVD awards, smacking niggas in their head, jumping out Honda Accords. Oh,
DJ
boy gon'
Whiteowl.
bring bad news. They said truck use a fucking bad fuse. I guess that's cause I'm quick to pop and quick to shoot at you and shoot at cops. Who you talking to? You dealing with goons? Team Rod, baby, drinking on them 40s. Who you talking to? You dealing with goons? I take kush to the head, take kush to the head. Who you talking to? You dealing with goons? You ain't never met a nigga like me, done. Who you talking to? Watch your mouth. You dealing with your mouth. Yeah, yeah. Yo, you coward ass, punk in the trunk ass niggas. Watch your mouth, homie, cause you not murdering shit. You not running shit. Your niggas is pussies. See me anywhere. Truck.